Hi, I'm Belle English from the Sonoma Test Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan cauliflower turmeric soup and show you all the amazing features of the new Sonoma Open Kitchen slow cooker. A slow cooker is my secret weapon for easy weeknight meals because I can program it in the morning, and when I get home from work, dinner is served. So let's get cooking. First step is to get some cauliflower and just put it in the slow cooker. Then I'm going to add some Yukon Gold potatoes. So like all great things in life, this soup starts with some sauteed onion and garlic. Great, now that I have a little color on my onions and garlic, I'm gonna add some really great spices that will give this soup a great punch of flavor. Some coriander, cumin, turmeric, of course. I like to add a pinch of cayenne just for a little heat. I'm gonna add some ginger as well, and a little brown sugar. Great, and I'm just gonna let these cook in here just for a few minutes. I'm also gonna season this with a little to a lot of salt. This is gonna go right into your slow cooker. So the other ingredients I'm gonna throw in here are some coconut milk. Next, about 2 cups of vegetable stock. Just gonna stir these around a little bit. You can program this slow cooker on 3 temperature settings: low, medium, and high. But for this soup, I'm gonna set it for 6 hours on low. So now that my soup is going, I'm gonna let the slow cooker do the rest of the work while I go to work. So now that my soup is cooked, I'm gonna blend it to get it silky smooth. So now that my soup is the perfect texture, I'm gonna taste it to see if I need to adjust any of the seasonings. I'm gonna add a little salt. It's really good though. Also, I always like to add some lemon juice at the end of cooking to really bring out that brightness. Fresh cilantro, stir this all together. Perfect, wow, that lemon just brightened up all those flavors. Now that it's basically ready to eat, I'm gonna put the cover on just to heat it through a little longer. Another feature I love about this slow cooker is that it comes with a lid holder. So I just fit this right into the back. So when I lift up and I'm ready to serve my soup, I just land the lid right here. So now that my soup is ready, I'm just gonna ladle it into some bowls. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of olive oil, some fresh cilantro, and then some toasted almonds. A little pepper. Just place a nice seeded pita right on top. You see how easy that was? Now you can make a delicious, hearty, and healthy meal with the touch of a button using the Sonoma Open Kitchen Slow Cooker. To learn more about this product and get the recipe, head to williamsonoma.com.